Hi, I'm Jeremy,
I'm Evan.
I'm Ariana.
I'm Tamlin.
and this is our presentation on renewable energy.
So wave energy actually captures the surface energy of water, which is created from waves, which are actually created from wind energy. Wave energy is a desirable alternative way to capture energy because it has a low OPEX, which is an operational cost and maintenance cost. Wave energy the wave energy cost is 4 cents per kilowatt hour, and the more energy a wave can produce more energy with less equipment than most other types of energy formations. There also engineers help to build and design the tools used to capture wave energy and turn it into electricity, such as they utilize a process called influx. It's called influx process to capture the energy. Also, they have a technology called the wave dragon, which is used to capture the wave power and translate it into electricity. A little funny fact is another name for that is the oyster. And also Australia is considered to be one of the best places to implement wave energy now.
Alright, wind energy. It's been used for centuries, whether it's to pump water, ground your grain, or now we use it as a renewable source for energy. What happens is there's about 3 blades on a turbine, and whenever the wind blows, low pressure gets on the underside of the blade. And whenever that forms, it pulls the blade down, which in turn spins the generator inside of the turbine, and that generates energy. Wind turbines can either be standalone turbines for farm settings, or it can be in a wind farm, which generates mass amounts of electricity for different companies. One of the new innovations that engineers have created for wind energy is a turbine based off the jet engine design. This allows for the same amount of energy to be produced from a turbine that's much smaller, so that companies can put more wind turbines out there and generate more power per square acre.
Alright, I'm doing tidal energy, which is the most predictable form of renewable energy and the only one that is true renewable energy. Tidal energy was kind of established around the 50s, and the first big tidal station was made in 1966 in Brittany, France. It's called the France's Tidal Power Station. The way tidal power works is that they have a machine set at right outside an estuary, and when the tide comes in, it turns a turbine, and when the tide comes out, it turns a turbine. Kind of the same way wave energy works, but it's slower and it works over a longer period of time. Tidal power can only work over about 10 hours of the day, so it's not exactly 100% reliable for all-day power. Mixed with something else, it would really be useful. Tidal power is one of the newer forms. It hasn't had as much research, so it's not as far along. But recently they have had some advancements as far as turbines and their new dynamic tidal power.
Solar energy. The sun. It provides us with heat to keep us warm. It gives sunlight to the plants. It gives light. And without it, there would be nothing. The sun is one of our greatest necessities, so how are we making use of it? Engineers are constantly creating new and better technology for solar power. Solar power is all about converting energy from the sun to photovoltaics into electricity. So what exactly are photovoltaics? These cells are made from semiconductor materials, so when the sunlight hits these materials, electrons are temporarily moved. By attaching electrical conductors, an electric circuit is able to be formed. Those electrons will move throughout the circuit, forming an electrical current that we call electricity. Ideas on how to put this method to use gather many innovative people to work together in efforts to create even more useful technology for the future.
And that was our presentation on wave.
Wind,
Tidal.
And solar energy.
Thank you for watching.
Yay!